Dollar index tried to recover a little losses traded in green last week, but most importantly, it has failed to break past the highs of the channel, which I talked about last week, the 102 levels. Remember, beyond which certainly more bullishness is going to prevail. Now, what to expect? Yes, it is done with the bottom there. You can see double bottom there, and it is trying to recover, rise, drop, rise, and now it is looking upward. So, what to expect? Which position you should take trading dollar index next week? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the major global markets and commodities analysis every day, which I share twice a day. In fact, most of the analysis are shared. So do watch that. You can be part of my free Telegram channel, which also keeps you updated. Let's start. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, and do watch till the end. Let's start here. First, we look into charts, followed with indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy. Do watch till the end. Now, see on the daily chart, the dollar index movement is very simple here. Lower highs, lower lows. After this sharp drop, it is trying to trade in this bearish channel, and hence it is most important for it to stay above 102 levels, because beyond that 102.5, 102.8 are and 103, these three levels are going to play a major role. This is the first part. Yes, this is a bearish channel. Yes, there is lot much downside still left. Now look at the movement of dollar index for a little while. See, first of all, the rise and drop is almost symmetrical. Rise there, first one drop, rise there, one drop, rise there, couple of drops. And if you look at the movement here, one reversal, strong bearishness, couple of reversals, strong bearishness, then reversal, bearishness, reversal, bearishness, and it is still trying to trade in this bearish channel. Hence, we have to be still watchful of 102 levels, beyond which only little more rise can be expected. Now, look at last few drops and rises or the retracement here. See the retracement here, lower highs, sharp candles, retracement here. Now, this is trying to consolidate, which means there is a very good support which exists at 101.2 levels. That is very clear. Second, look at the movement for last couple of days. It also suggests that 101.35 is also very good support. Below that, you can expect 101.2 as the next target. So in between this zone, 101.35, 101.8 levels, at least one should remain cautious and alert till the time dollar index trades between these levels. Now that is on the daily charts. Look at the weekly. Now if you look at the weekly charts, after sharp drop here, bottom, retracement, double bottom, and now again trying to look upwards. This also makes 102 levels as very good resistance level, because this is also the highs of the channel here. And that is where, in fact, for next week you have to be watchful of 101.8 and 102. If these two are taken, certainly we can see that it is going to fly. Now also remember one fact, 7 straight bearish weeks, and now first green candle, so there could be a second green candle. Hence you can, in fact, once you see it trading above 101.8, definitely one should stay long and wait for it to break past 102, where the next target, if it stays above 102, is directly going to be 103, 102.8 and 3 levels. So take the trades accordingly. Now look at downside. Here also the downside is equally important, because once 101.2 and 101 is taken, there is going to be further and bearishness, which is going to take it down. Now look at the monthly. On the monthly charts, look at the winning streak for dollar index. It is traded bullish for almost couple of years, and now for last few months it is trying to retrace a bit, trying to consolidate a bit. And if you look at the movement here, see these two highs and two lows. Alternately, we have seen it getting the lows and highs done. This also makes this channel as a very good support or sideways channel. Now why it is trading sideways, you can see this. The reason is the preceding candles. So after a sharp drop, it is just trying to consolidate before it takes a direction on the downside. Now see, I have already told you that my near term targets for dollar index, and yes, when I say near term, it can take a little while, but yes, my targets are 98 and 95 levels. 98 95 zone is going to be certainly a very strong support zone, and for once it is going to achieve those levels. Now look at the monthly charts more. Now see, the candle is already red, lower lows are already done, lower highs. After this green candle, couple of retracement candles, this also indicates that there could be a next follow up or greener candle here. But most importantly, I will wait for where it closes. Yes, once it trades above 102, then there could be a possibility that it can close at around 102 and then the next candle starts to trade bullish. And definitely any move above 103 is going to take it further and farther, which is going to take it above 105 levels. So this is something you should note out for. Now we have seen the charts. Time for us to look at the indicators also, such that we can come to a concrete conclusion. Now first of all, on the daily charts, couple of observations here. Super trend is on sell with the stop loss at 102.803 levels. Next, you can see the 20, 50, 100 period moving average. The slope is changing here. It has started to converge. This is a bullish sign. However, if you look at the complete divergence, it is extremely bearish, and hence till the time it crosses over, do not consider this as bullish for now. Yes, it is trying to flatten a bit. Now, if you look at the Bollinger Band, see the Bollinger Bands have narrowed strongly, and that is what leading to a very typical movement, very range bound movement, and hence a good breakout is going to be expected very soon, which is going to increase the width of the Bollinger Bands. Now look at the stochastic there. It was near to overbought and has dropped a bit. It is trying to look down. The MACD, look at MACD. The MACD had crossed over and this is trading with bullishness. This is trading with divergence. And if you look at the crossover here, this is happening at a little lower levels. This also suggests that it can try to recover a bit before looking forward to a drop here. Now RSI is almost trading comfortable here. Neither overbought nor oversold. Now look at the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, there is a 50 and 20 period crossover which you can see, and they started to diverge. This is also bearish sign. The 100 weeks average is just almost at 101.5 levels. Also, the Bollinger Bandwidth, it is trading at the bottom, and hence a recovery cannot be denied. But we have to look further into detail. See, the stochastic is oversold. That also brings a little bullishness. But look at MACD. This is almost trading flat here without any divergence. And that is where one should be watchful. Let it diverge more and continue its upward journey. Certainly bullishness is going to be seen. The RSI is trading at bottom, and if you look at 2 hour chart, now look at 2 hour charts, it is trading almost parallel here on the monthly chart. Monthly chart. So it is almost trading parallel on the monthly charts here. Now if you look at a stochastic on the monthly chart, this is extremely oversold and it is trying to recover a bit. Because this is oversold, it can try to recover a bit. However, let's be watchful till 103 levels. Beyond that, only little bullishness is going to be seen. Because see, most importantly on the monthly charts, it is diverging here. It is divergent and bearish. It is looking downwards. It is crossed over just now. RSI is also looking downwards, trying to trade bearish here. So we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy such that you can trade profitably next week. And before I give you the trading levels, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should be part of my 21st mentorship batch. The strategies are applicable to gold, silver, oil, net gas, any forex, any commodity, any indices, and even crypto as well. So definitely you should join the mentorship batch 21st. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. Also can be part of my signals group where trading as per the signals on diverse instruments, you can definitely become a profitable trader. Reach out to me or telegram or email, both mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look where to buy. I will recommend you to buy here at 101.68. Beyond that, 101.8, 102, and once it stays above 102, the next destination is directly going to be 102.7 and 103 levels. If it stays above 103, sky is the limit on the upside. We are going to look at 103.5, 105 levels very soon. Very fast manner it is going to achieve these targets. But till 103, do not consider this as bullish. It can reverse any point. This is going to be an extremely good resistance level. On the downside way to sell, I will recommend you to sell here at 101.2 levels, below which 101 first target, and then 100.6 levels the next target. Below 100.6, it is going to breach past 100 this time. The next important psychological support and an important level which everyone watches out for, that is 100 levels. Below that, it is going to give it a very strong bearish move for 98 and 95 levels. If not in 1 week, maybe in next few weeks. Below 100 till the time it stays, I will be looking forward to 98, 95 levels, which is going to be the stronger support levels. So Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss. Trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.